So how can you empty photos from the iPhone? Let me talk about it from every possible angle. Let's get started. And if it's your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, the iPhone photos can be easily removed and then deleted from the iPhone. When you go to the Photos app, select one or even a few, and I tap on the trash, right? So you to like delete them. But in order to fully delete them, you also have to go to the recently deleted folder and make sure that you also remove it from there or wait 30 days for them to be automatically removed and be gone forever. So these are the options. Obviously, you can empty your photos and just remove them completely. However, in a lot of cases, you don't want to just delete the photos, but you want to have them stored somewhere else and it just free up the storage. And this gives us more options. A lot of people back up their photos automatically to iCloud. That's an option which you can enable in the settings when you tap on your profile at the top and go to the iCloud and make sure that the iCloud photos are turned on. The only downside with it is that by default and for free, we only get 5 gigabytes of storage, which is usually not enough to back up and store all of the photos from your phone. So you can either purchase additional storage or pay the subscription for iCloud Plus or go for a different service. For example, a lot of people use the Google Photos, myself included, and in there you also need a subscription, but it's a different third-party app which can also back up your photos to a cloud so you can easily delete them from your phone and you don't worry that they will be gone forever. And another method of backing up the photos so you do not lose them is, for example, through an external storage. I also like to use this external SSD storage, which you can easily purchase on Amazon or somewhere else, and you can connect it through a USB cable to the iPhone, and it will be recognized, and you can literally just move your photos there, and you don't even have to use like any cloud solutions or anything. You just back up your photos to something like this, and you can delete them from your phone and make sure you still have them, right? So that would work as well. I'm just giving you all of the possible options. You can of course save the photos to your computer as well, so it depends. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.